Oh, are we live? Are we live? All right, excellent connection. Let me see if I can pull up the chat. Okay. All right, I got the chat right here on my phone. So what up? What up? Let me know if you guys want me to talk about something. Let me know. Make sure everything's good. I'm gonna wait because you know what? I gotta make sure that this thing is going because y'all know the last couple of live streams I had, I was talking to myself. Two viewers. So let me know if you guys are hearing me, and then I'll get started and just start talking. Bitcoin. Looking pretty. I don't know, sitting at resistance. I mean, sitting on support right now on the 13. If it drops below this and this is the next support, hopefully it continue to hold this 200 on the hourly. On the daily, huh. Ain't no telling what this thing gonna do on the daily. But yeah, man, what is Bitcoin gonna do on the daily? Three viewers. All right. I think we got viewers. I'm gonna just go ahead and start talking or whatever. I wanted to talk about first. Yeah, man. Like we see Bitcoin's climbing. A couple altcoins are doing their thing. The ones that are like, those DeFi coins that are like seriously, what you call it, like new when they first come out. Like if you come right here and look on Dex Tools, this is one of the places that people find them. Like this is a Keeper, Andre Corgay. I forgot how to say his name. Andre Corgay. This is his project, and this thing started off at $2. Now it's at $300. Somebody in the group told me about it when it was about 150 down here. So I picked up. Somebody in the Telegram group called it, and I picked up about. I picked up some at 154, and then I sold at 280, I think, and then it went up to like it's 315 right now, and it's still looking like it's gonna do some crazy things just because it's a hype project. It's that Andre on every project that he drops gets hyped. The last two projects that came out from him didn't work out too well. So this one I think he's doing it different, and it's a pretty cool project. So check out Keeper. It's like number one on Dex Tools right now. If you go to CoinGecko, it's like the number one project showing up on CoinGecko right now too. If you type in like the trending, um, yeah, that's because that thing was up like 800. It was up like 800%. This coin Keeper right here. Um, but yeah, besides that, of course, I'm waiting for that Cure Network to come. There's a lot of coins that are going to be dropping in like this, um, coming up soon at the end of this month. A lot of coins like coming up at the end of this month. Yeah, so keeping an eye on that. Um, I'm not really sure how the whole thing works, like as far as the platform, because it isn't, with his platforms, you have to really know what you're doing, and its governance and stuff like that. So check out Keeper if you're into that. You know what I'm saying? So right now, altcoins keep getting beat up. I was saying like, uh, watch the Bitcoin dominance because that's how you can tell when that thing turns on. Or when that thing turns off, that's when it's time to get in and out of those altcoins. It's been like 20% a day, dropping 20%, 20%, 20% a day. Like, damn. Because this thing has just been pumping. So, we might get somewhere up to here in the 64% before it starts going back down. Hopefully it starts going back down, then it'll be time to pick up more altcoins, to look at more altcoins to pick up. As you guys know, I'm big on like AKRO, especially Ocean Protocol right now. Stake, this is another coin that I picked up recently. XDAI, Stake. There was a nice dip. That seems like a good place to pick some up. If you look in the last 7 days, it was $14, and then it basically almost dropped by half. And there's a lot of hype around this coin, so much hype around Stake, and there's good reason for it because the technology is supposed to be helping out Ethereum, and right now Ethereum needs all the help it can get, man. So yeah, I don't know if you guys are into Stake. I made a video about how to switch your MetaMask over to Stake. It's pretty easy. Now you can just go in there, and once you have the thing loaded, you can just switch back and forth. So Stake, that's another coin that I'm watching too, depending on what happens with the Bitcoin dominance, which, all these ads. Bitcoin dominance. This is the chart we hate for all coins. But for Bitcoin, it's cool. And for me, in the long run, it's like, money it tends to trickle down into altcoins anyway. So the more money that pumps into Bitcoin, the more that should trickle down when the time comes, and stuff like that. Yeah. So, if you guys don't know about Crypto Panic, check out CryptoPanic.com. This is where you can come to find out like all the news is kind of like hinted up right here. They even show like some good, if somebody makes like a good YouTube video that's like relevant for the market, they'll even put it up on here on Crypto Panic. So this is where you can go and get a lot of news right here. So Binance rumored to be under FBI investigation. Of course they are. Of course they are. We all know about that. Of course they are. So make sure. Here's another coin right here.
Today we woke up to the incredible news.
Oh, this is LEO Trade. Shout out to LEO Trades. It's the homie right there. But Parsec was a coin that was shouted out in the group very early. Like as soon as I opened up the Telegram group, somebody shouted out this coin, and it had a crazy run. Let me look at it right now where it's at. So I'm about to just be shilling y'all a bunch of coins. Let me know if there's any coins that you guys want me to look at. PRQ, up 30% today. What markets is it on? Uniswap, Hotbit. Let me see if I can get a chart. Yeah, I like this coin. This coin's been doing good. And yeah, so it had a nice pump today, and it's been on a downtrend ever since it first started, but it had a nice pump today. So hopefully this is the fate for all the altcoins coming right now. And I think so, because now you got the United States and all these other places talking about they're going to be, doing digital assets, expanding to Asia and stuff like that. And it's always Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum usually. So, can't sleep on Ethereum ever. Yeah. So keep it. There's the Bitcoin dominance chart. What else I want to talk about? Yeah, what coins do you guys want me to talk about? Because as you guys know, I'm on vacation. I'm just chilling. I just wanted to kick it with y'all, talk about some of these things coming up. We got the election coming up in a couple days. I don't think it's really going to be as bad for the market as people say it is, because either way, I mean, there's always volatility, but I don't think it's going to be that bad. We'll see. But I'm still watching these charts. Like, Bitcoin dominance is still going up. Everybody's talking about Bitcoin right now. Money's flowing into Bitcoin right now. So altcoins looking like, not that great. Let me see if I can pull up the total market cap of altcoins. Market cap, excluding BTC. See if we can find any breakouts on this chart. That's what we looking for. What we looking for. Been just choppy since September. Once they had that dip, it's been just choppy. Accumulation, altcoins in accumulation for sure. So yeah, right now I'm kind of just sitting on the sidelines, accumulating a little bit of coins. Ocean Protocol. Let me pull up my low cap gem list. Oops, tripping. These are the ones right here. So I'm really big on AKRO, Luxo, and Lit. DOS, of course. So in order, I would say Luxo. I'm picking up Luxo first, Ocean second, Lit third, DAG fourth, and CCX or Rap CCX second. FXC kind of giving up on that coin, and Seek and JRT kind of giving up on that on those two coins too. So we'll see how they do. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys, let me see. Nobody said anything in chat. I don't know if this thing is really actually going. Let me see. I'm about to have to pause this live stream because I don't trust it. YouTube is having trouble. Let's see. Okay. We see. I see you. What up, man? What up, Danny? All right, okay. You guys are watching. Yeah, Ocean, man. Ocean has a lot of stuff, like just crazy stuff going on with it. I was just scrolling through their Twitter, and if you scroll through their Twitter just a little bit, like, of course the coins tweet out everything that they're doing. That's why Twitter is such a good place. But Ocean is just like nonstop. And the stuff that they retweet too. Sometimes they just retweet things, like throw little hints. V3 is live. Oh, they had their first rug pull or something like that. You see, messages is not working? Really? Let me see what's wrong with that. Maybe that's why. No, don't exit the live stream. Edit. Live chat. Enable live chat. Allow replay. Maybe I need to turn it off. No. Should be working. Boom. It's working. Everything's be working on my end. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain a week. They always be hating on me in my live streams. I can't ever get a good live stream going, so I don't live stream that much. It looks pretty cool. I'm actually watching it. I have it right here on my other phone. Let me see. They always be hating on me in my live streams. I can't ever get a good live stream going. Test. So I don't live stream that much. Seems like it's working, I guess. It looks pretty cool. I'm actually watching it. I have it right here on my other phone. And my bad for the little beeping in the background. So they need to change the battery in the smoke alarm. Okay, yeah, it's working now for sure. Thank you, sir, for that one. But yeah, they had the V3. That was kind of the big deal for Ocean Protocol. Most recently, that's why it had like a nice increase recently. It's now a member of the Open DeFi Alliance. There's an Open DeFi Alliance. But yeah, Ocean Data Partners and all that stuff. Like, yeah, Ocean Protocol is like, man, gotta have some Ocean. For sure, for sure. 46 cents. Ocean BTC. It hasn't been on Binance that long. But it had a cross on the 13 and 34 on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. I like to look at stuff on the 4-hour chart. Okay, it fell below. Maybe it might test the 200. Or it has some support. In my opinion. Yeah, good support right there. Right where it's at, there's some support. So if it bounces here, it might be a good place for me to pick up some more. Keep looking at that. Keep looking at that. So Keeper, Ocean. The other one was Luxo. I know I keep talking about Luxo, but NFTs, if you don't really understand NFTs, there's so many different things that go into NFTs. They got fashion, gaming, design, social media. The financial NFTs is where the big money's going to be at, which is like an NFT that represents ownership of a house. You know what I mean? Something like that. Where is the company at? Financial NFTs. Still undervalued for sure. I still feel like Luxo's undervalued. Having trouble pulling it up. I didn't really plan for this last stream. I just wanted to say what's up to y'all. Yeah, man. Luxo, in my opinion, is so undervalued. Even still at 75 cents. I believe the ICO was at 75 cents. So for it to only be a penny on the IOU token or the exchange token. Yeah, they had something going on with identity. And I'm like I was saying, I was big on identity, and I think it's cool that I've seen people starting to talk about identity recently too. Like, I was like, I think Chico Crypto started talking about identity, and Ivan on Tech, and like some of the bigger YouTubers started bringing up identity and stuff. So I was like, cool, cool. People see it. The digital certificates. I think that's part of what this is right here. Um, It's hard to find a lot of news on Luxo though. They're pretty quiet. You gotta like dig. Um, Another one is Lit. Like I think Lit is people still don't know about Lit yet. They had some partnerships announced too this week. But only 6 million market cap. What is Lit? Blockchain engine for central banks with the sidechain use cases, staking pool, partnered with. Look at the partnerships. Medium is the next place where you go find information. Oh yeah, Tomorrow Chain. They partnered with Tomorrow Chain. Like I like Tomorrow Chain, so I was like excited about that one. I was like, cool, and they have their liquidity program. So I might look into that and provide some liquidity for Lit. But it sucks to try to provide liquidity or stake coins in a downtrend. Just sit there and lose money. Um, Not too fun. Not too fun. VeChain. A lot of people hate on VeChain. I don't know why. Yeah, lit. I think has some connections to like I said in another video. I think it might have some connections to EWT. They did some stuff with them. They got Tomorrow Chain. Let's see if I can find it real quick. New listing. Lithium Energy. So they really like do energy and stuff, just like EWT. But of course, there's more to all these projects than just the first use case. That's what you gotta look for. What up, Sticks? What up with the bro? All right, that's enough. Let's move on, moving on. Let's go back to CoinGecko. Back to CoinGecko. Let me see. Right. Oh, Poker Starter. Everyone keeps talking about Poker Starter. Yeah, I think the high caps are gonna start taking off first. Oh, REN BTC, EWT. So I wanted to talk about that too. Like, there's 2 billion of today, as of today, 2 billion of Bitcoin locked up on Ethereum. Man, what, like, this is not showing up in the Ethereum price yet. But it just tripped me out how, like, Rat BTC was it was like number 13 last time I checked. Number 18 right now. It's crazy. You can use your Bitcoin. Like, I already put a lot of Bitcoin. I put a lot of Bitcoin into Rat BTC. I was like, why not get interest on it? I didn't want to really hold no assets that I wasn't getting interest on and stuff like that. Icon. So Icon is another high cap that I like. And they're working on a bunch of bridges and stuff to Ethereum. They got marketing things coming up and stuff like that. So, yeah. Trying to expand out of South Korea. But South Korea is like a big hub for crypto anyway. They got a new website. Connecting crypto to the real world. I connect. Pantera Connect Capital. So an interesting project that I started looking at that I got into recently was that had to do with NFTs also was Avagache. Wait, no, not this one. Save. Ghost token. I was late on this ghost token. Everybody was talking about this one, but then when I looked into it and seen what it was like, what it does and stuff like that, I was like, oh, okay. So you basically stake these NFTs, these little ghost tokens, and then they can give you different. It wants me to log into my wallet. I don't like logging into my wallet. I don't lie. It's okay. Got plenty of wallets. Can't have it all in one wallet anyway. All right. So you can stake Ghost, stake on the mainnet. You can stake the liquidity token. It gives you fiends or whatever, and then you take those fiends, and then you can go to the shop, and then you can buy these tickets. Depending on what you get, and then these are like raffle tickets, and then the raffle tickets give you different ghosts that are basically what the ghosts are. The reason why there's value is because they're Aave tokens. So they're different interest-bearing assets. So I was like, wait, what? So, and this thing is actually connected with Aave. Like, they're in cahoots together to build this little game right here. And so however many Aave Gacha you stake, you get 100 fiends per day. Whoa. staked like 100 yesterday just to see how it goes, and then you get one per day. If you stake the liquidity pool token, you get a lot more. Look at that. The hell? Loading. So available state. Oh, I didn't even stake them yet. Oh, still alive. Oh, I should have sped up the transaction. Always got to speed up them each transactions. So that's the thing about like NFTs that's like pretty crazy. Like you can do stuff like that, like have an NFT represent something that's an actual asset. So that's where it becomes like big. And then I don't know if you guys heard of like NBA Top Shots working with Dapper Labs, the creator of Crypto Kitties. So I started doing my research on them, and you know they got the NBA Top Shots. People make money on these NBA Top Shots all day. Wait, I'm not trying to go to Discord because you can basically like buy these packs, and then these packs are like moments in the NBA. So if you're into NBA, you know what I mean. You can buy a pack and then it could have like a rare card in there or a rare moment in there, and you can sell that, and like people, it will automatically sometimes could be worth more than what you paid for the pack. So it's in beta right now. No, I don't want push notifications. See, like this is all this dude's packs, and when you click on them, this is what it looks like. It's a moment right here. Because I worry they'll lose value in the long term whenever. Yeah, like it's basic. It's not like, for me, it's not like a crazy long term investment strategy. It's like with cards. You can flip them and stuff like that. But these are NFTs. So the thing is, Dapper Labs, I don't think they have a coin or a token or anything like that. But they're the ones who came out with Crypto Kitties, and like Crypto Kitties were the craziest NFTs. Like they sold for thousands. They got these cheese wizards and all that stuff. Flow. So I need to figure out what blockchain they're building on top of at the end of the day. This one I gotta do more research on. But I thought the NBA Top Shots was cool. I wanted to show you guys about that. You can buy these packs and they have different moments in there. Let's look at a couple other ones. Base set. It's taking too long. So Seth Curry, Damian Lillard. I'll probably get up in here and give me a Damian Lillard pack. W type for the marketplace. And then you get a pack of different, like, look at this one. What moment is it? Oh, LeBron James. Of course LeBron James would sell for 9,000. Let me get a LeBron James pack. Because you can buy a pack and then it could end up having this in there. You know what I mean? So check out NBA Top Shots if you guys are into that. That's some cool things. Like stuff like that is what, like, stuff like that is what makes crypto look dope. When people see stuff like this for NFTs, they're like, why would I pay $1,000 for that ghost right there. But the different ghosts, they represent different AVE tokens, different amounts and stuff like that. So you're actually getting some little ghost that actually represents some real world asset, which is the AVE tokens. And those are interest bearing assets. So they're getting interest the whole time, while you have them there. But something like NBA Top Shots, yeah, that's where I wanted to show people this because they can see the real, uh, like there's real world use. We got this rare pack right here. Metallic rare. See what's in there? $15 for this one. Man, I ain't paying $15 for that. I could do that. I could do that. But yeah, check out that. If you know anything about Dapper Labs, let me know. Cause I'm digging in deep on them. No jargon, no nonsense. I'm trying to invest in Dapper Labs. They look like they know what they're doing. And I'm like, you kinda have to get some type of like royalties or something like that, clearance to be working with the NBA. Which is pretty cool that they might have that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to talk about today. Quick little live stream. I don't know if you guys got anything that y'all want me to check out while I'm here, or just you want to say what's up to the boy. Put it in the comment. What's up? What y'all doing? Where y'all at? Then we got a nice. I mean, all the writings on the wall as far as the bull run goes. Like, you know, I don't think we have to trip in the long run. There goes Avalanche right there, 378. So also, I want to get into EWT. I'm not into EWT yet. Still not into EWT yet. And what was the other one? Oh yeah, DOS. I'm still waiting for DOS to drop all the new stuff that they're going to be dropping soon. That Circles app. I don't know. I never got approved on there. So I don't know. And I didn't know anybody who got approved on there. Even everybody in the Telegram group, everybody on my Twitter. I don't have the link right now. Let's see if I can get the link. Bow, bow. Yeah, see, we were having a discussion about it. Is it a scam or something like that? Because there was like a way where supposedly you were supposed to like send some X die and you would get unlocked or something like that. But I never actually got signed up into that thing. This income, I'm already kind of skeptical because I'm like, where's the income come from? And all that stuff. But we'll see if I ever get approved. I don't know. I know a couple people who said they got approved, but they don't tell me nothing about it. So I don't know. The circles thing. Build local economy together. Yeah, see, I don't know. If you have the app, let me know. Speaking of apps, all right, here, since you guys are watching, speaking of apps, there's something that somebody else told me about in the Telegram group that's dope. VV. Check out this VV app. Now, this is what I'm talking about when it comes to NFTs. I know I'm just going through shit quick, but this is what I'm talking about when it comes to NFTs. VV. I think he said the coin was
as a collector, you can get really creative.
So these are like collectibles. You can have your own showroom and people can walk through and virtual reality and look at your NFTs and all that stuff. You could probably have your NBA Top Shots on there in the future. That's gonna be pretty crazy. Um, the token. Oh, I had to. I'll make a video about it later because I had to like dig to find more information on this. But
and display your
look at this
collection the way
augmented reality, all this stuff. They're talking about, you know,
all of
you can be able to put it on
showrooms are fully
Instagram.
shareable with all other VV users. So, for example, I can create this showroom. I can share it on our internal social feed, and then, of course, anyone who's a VV user can then come into my showroom and have a look around. Give it a like if they like it, drop a comment, maybe say that, hey, you want to buy some of these collectibles off them. And of course, we still have all the interactivity within these showrooms. So let me just walk up to our beautiful 1966 Batman.
This was the sickest part.
I can open the door, of course. I can
open the door.
And we have a quick look over here. The steering wheel, of course, works.
You can turn the steering wheel. Like, this is what I'm talking about when it comes to NFTs. Like, and these people get it because they're talking about, like, yo, you can save it right onto Instagram. You can post it onto Instagram. So, like, Instagram and everything is going to keep evolving, too, because, you know, like, they're going to keep up with the game, and augmented reality and 3D videos and all that stuff is coming. So, when stuff like this is going out, it's like, oh, especially depending on how long social distancing lasts, you know, when you have stuff like this, showrooms, like, I like how you can, like, go. There's even another one right here where you can go into the car. You can drive the car.
We have interactive, and then we have step keys.
That's so sick.
Static, and then we have animations.
So that gives you a little bit of an idea about what type of collectibles or NFTs that you're purchasing through VV. You know, we really try to take it to the next level. In the physical world, we collect these physical items and we try to replicate this as close as possible with VV. So another, huge part of collecting is that every collector in their house, they have either a room or a shelf where they display their collection.
So yeah, VV is the shit. Join that waitlist at vv.me. Let's see. It's hard, like I said. I'm gonna make a video about it because I got all the information compiled and everything. But the next generation in collectibles, this thing's tight. If they can get some of this stuff licensed too, it's a wrap. NFTs, man, don't sleep on the NFTs, digital collectibles. Like, if people buy action figures, you know what I mean, Pokemon cards, stuff like that.
Always display.
But I'll tell you right here. I'll put this. I'll share this video right now. I could put it in the description. Y'all can check that video out. Oh, JP Morgan's coming out with the JPM coin. That's just gonna speed people up on how to do crypto in the first place, so that's cool. Man, the writing's on the wall. I feel like we got a crazy big bull run coming. I'm trying to get my portfolio ready and make sure that I'm in the right coins, you know, in the whole Bitcoin, in the whole DeFi thing. I was moving around a lot of coins and stuff like that. And I'm like, okay, let's get back into some of these coins that I like. Let's look into some of these new ones. Like, I'm liking VV over Sync now. So I'm going to see how I can get into this before everybody else. But yeah, if y'all don't got no coins for me, I give it like 1 minute. I'm about to be out. Still on vacay. About to actually go downstairs and see if it's warm enough to go swimming. Centrifuge. I remember we looked at that one before too. Where's it at? What's the ticker? Is it not on Is it not on CoinGecko? Let's check CoinMarketCap. Yeah, I hate CoinMarketCap. How's Vox doing? I ended up selling because I wasn't. It wasn't like a. I can't find a centrifuge. Like I'm probably spelling it wrong, but it's not popping up on this glitchy ass site. Oh, right here. Never mind. The RAD token. Is it this one? The RAD token. Not listed. Decentralized asset finance, access banking, liquidity. Liquidity is of course a big thing. Like I feel like at the end of the day, especially when stuff starts picking up, you can't have enough liquidity, especially when August drop, especially when Coinbase and stuff keeps going down. Securitize. Okay, rad. Yeah, there we go. I got it. Unlock liquidity. I'm gonna bookmark this page. Let's look at the products. Oh, yeah, look at the products. The digital asset backed finance DAO. Pull your assets. What you mean? Oh. Pull assets and tokenize your assets and centrifuge chain. Tokenizing assets is gonna be big. I'm telling you. He said, "Well, you sell your Vox." I know. I heard about the Vox staking. Okay, let me look at Vox real quick. I'm gonna bookmark this. I bookmarked Centrifuge. I'm gonna look more into that. Talk about it soon in the community coin video. What's it looking like on the Vox? How's the staking? I got tired of it fluctuating too much. No, I'm just kidding. I took profit and I just never got back in. That's what happened, really. And that was a bad idea because it's been up, and I did it probably more than 7 days ago. So up another. No, it's about the same price I sold it. All right, I'm gonna have to look back into Vox. Making over an ETH a day. Damn, that's a good return right there. And the price is going up crazy. Vox Finance. No worries about liquidity or none of that. I started getting worried about liquidity on all those tokens because you know I was in the farm thing, but luckily I was in so early that I was still up when I was up so much in farm. It was crazy. I'll check that out. I'm gonna have to check out that box again. Valid token blockchain company for trusted computing. Confidential data exchange protocol. Oh, this is kind of like Ocean. Okay. Gatekeepers, miners, stuff like that. Trusted execute with TE. Hardware level isolation. Trusted computing CPUs can. Okay. Valid network can offer the ability of confidential contracts in any blockchain because the protocol is native cross-chain interoperable. I gotta see that. I gotta see it because all these, even Polkadot, like I want to see the operability. I gotta see it. I gotta see it happening because a lot of them say cross-chain computation, but that's easier said than done. Okay, they're using Polkadot. There we go. I mean, Polkadot's gonna looks like Polkadot's gonna do it. Yeah, this looks like another good one. Okay, I'm gonna bookmark this one too. Yeah, I'm in Keeper, bro. I talked about it in the beginning of the stream. when yeah, I'm definitely in the Telegram group. People were like, "Yo, Keeper, it's a new project by Andre," and I was just like, "There's gonna be, I don't even know what it is yet, but there's gonna be so much hype." And then when I looked into it and I saw how he had the little he's trying to do the gasless wallet and all the other stuff that comes with it, I was like, "Oh yeah." And I like how they go for governance right away too, on Keeper. Fallen Network. Hey, do you guys really get into like the technical side? Because I know in a lot of my videos, I don't be trying to go into the too technical side. I feel like people don't really care or they don't really know. But I'll be like looking at the white papers and stuff and really digging deep into the projects. Um, the price of Vox. See, this is kind of where I sold the price of Vox right now. Is kind of where I sold it at because I got in. I made like double. So I think I got in around 800. Yeah, right. Like I don't like the technical side. Like I don't want to get too technical. I'm more interested in the products. Really, what products are they building and how good do I think they could build it? Really. Um, yeah. See the Vox price. Well, where's next was it? The Vox price. I'll probably wait. It might go down. I don't know. Me personally, I'll probably wait just because this is where I sold it at. Well, it looks like it's having a little bit of an uptrend. Maybe it might come back down a couple more hundred. But yeah, the price was fluctuating a lot on Vox. I think it's because the returns are kind of high too, so people like they're selling a lot and then buying a lot. And it's one of those coins that's been like a degen coin, kind of. You have like all the degens start throwing money in on this coin, so it's like you start seeing these sell offs, these big sell offs, and then the big pumps. So I was riding them for a little bit, but when I came on vacation, I was like, I don't want to sit there and go through all that. Oh, okay, the two audits just came. Oh, look, that's why it's starting to pump right now. Oh, okay. Oasis Protocol. Hey, I think I had Oasis on my list. Hold on. Yeah, hey, Vox might be pumping right now. Shoot, the max is 23, so it's only $500 away from the max. If it gets above it, then who knows? Who knows what can happen? But yeah, I'm scared to get in right now. The APY will surely impact the price one way or other. Yeah, that's true. I mean, it'll go down over time. It's just we're in the beginning, so enjoy it while we can. Oasis, is it on here? Is it Oasis Labs, Oasis Trade, Oasis Protocol, Rose? Is it Rose? Because if it is, it looks brand new and it looks crazy. This one, Oasis Foundation, Open Money, Open Finance, and Open Data. Is it this one? Let me see. But there's another Oasis too. There's hella Oasis. Okay, Rose. There's this Oasis too. Okay, Rose, that was the one. Damn! Look at that. It's brand new, huh? Just came out a couple days ago, and it just pumped, and then now it's quiet, or what? Rose. Nah, let's go. Just look right here. Meet the Oasis Protocol Foundation. There's amazing platform integration, free expression, and yet end global interoperability. Yeah, that's what we need. Interoperability. All right. Binance Labs partners with Oasis, giving users control of their data. I don't know if people really know about that. I like Bison Trails. I Anything that has like a Bison Trails tag on it, I start looking into it more for sure. I'm gonna actually look into that Ocean Protocol, but I'll get into that in a second. That staking, I'm about to look into that right after this. I actually start doing that. Okay, Oasis Labs, Chainlink. Yeah, some good partners. Node operators. Some good amount of nodes. Pantera Capital is everywhere in blockchain right now. The university program is good because, of course, people need developers. Yeah, that's what I do. Said I don't get too technical at first. Yeah, I do like this. This is how I do right here. Like I'll skim through it, and then I'll see if it's something that I'm like, okay, I'll come right here. You see, you got technology highlights, stuff like that. I'll look at those, and then if it looks interesting, then I'm like, okay, let's look into it. Let's see some interviews from the CEOs and stuff. Scalable DeFi, data tokenization. So this is similar to Ocean. 6 trillion lending assets. Nexus. Are you guys into Nexus? I think Nexus and the wheel. Whoever creates crypto wheels. If you find whoever's doing the crypto wheels, let me know. You said, am I staking in Ocean? Yeah, I'm gonna look into that right after tonight. I'll hit you up, Mohammed. I'll let you know how I like that because this one is they're doing the same thing as Ocean. Looks like blockchain allows for login enforcement. Okay, do you has products already? I don't know if it's exactly the same, whatever, but it looks like as far as like the data tokenization, that's kind of what that's one of the things that Ocean Protocol is also working on. But I'm sure there's more. I'm sure there's more to both projects than just that. Because I see the scalable private DeFi right here, and that's interesting because we're gonna need private DeFi. Like we're gonna need privacy. We're gonna need privacy, and we're gonna need identity. And then you're gonna need to be able to show your identity in a private way. So those things are coming next for sure. It's just dealing with money. That's just what happens, especially with the governments doing what they're doing, cracking down. So I'm gonna actually look into this one too. Oasis Network Primer. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely look into that Ocean Protocol thing. What you say right here? It says if I like it enough and I'll throw $50 in. Yeah, I always start off with a little bit too. Like, you don't have to go all in, all crazy. Start off with a little bit. The Rose Garden is live on Coinbase. Did should be big soon. So, is this a private sale? Key highlights. The consensus layer, scalable proof of stake, fully decentralized, learn more. Okay, here we go. The Rose Garden. To reward the community for making the network safer, you got the farm. Adding USDC to the farm. Cultivate. Receive more when you stake the farmed rows. Oh yeah. I like this one for sure. The farming is big right now. Let's look at DIDs. See if man, CoinGecko, we can't keep up with the coins. We can't keep up with all the coins that are coming out. I don't know. I say we. I'm not involved with CoinGecko. It's not popping up anywhere. I have to go down and get ready for dinner soon. Dids. See where I can find some info on this. Not much info on it. Man, you guys are finding some new stuff. I can't find that one. More info on it if you got it. But yeah, this Oasis one's caught my attention for sure. Where's Luxo Keeper Circles? If anybody got into this Circles thing, let me know. Because I don't know about that. But yeah, Ocean Protocol. And I heard Ocean Protocol had their first rug pull as well. I saw that. I was like, what? Earn on data. Earn by. Say hello. Just found that by pure luck. Just listening. Which one? What did you just find? My bad. I'm all over the place. Earn by staking data. Sell? One of the best buys you ever made? I mean, if that was a good buy. Oh, Celos. Oh man, you probably got in early, huh? You got in Celos early? Down here at 4 cents. Celos, I feel the same way about Celos that I feel about Cosmos, and that is they're getting usage and nobody's talking about it. Nice, you got in at 36 cents. This is crypto on your own terms. Oh, for sure. That's what up. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the channel. I'm gonna try to do more live streams. Usually I have like a little bit of the stuff that I want to talk about on live stream, and then I'll talk about some coins that everybody wants to talk about, some gems and stuff like that. That's not a bad APY for Bitcoin. 6%. Why is it so big? Rewards paid out weekly, no minimum balance required, withdraw at any time. We proudly share at least 80% of the revenue. Nice. Cello. Earn more with your crypto. These are some of the things like, and it has the app to it too. And I know the app is easy to use. Somebody told me. I haven't actually tried it, but is it out? Did somebody lie to me? Can I get the app right now? Okay, yeah. How's the app work? I heard it was good, but I like the project. It's like I feel like it's a sleeping freaking giant. A lot of the coins in the top are dope, man. People just want the low caps because they pop more, but it's like in the future, it's like when the whole market cap goes up, a lot of these coins are going to reap the benefits as well. See, I'm big on Cosmos. Atom. You notice if you're into projects like me, um, you start hearing like Ethereum projects, they always say, "Oh, we're looking at Polkadot," and you go, "Okay, I see Polkadot." Everyone's talking about Polkadot, and they say, "We're also looking at Cosmos." So Cosmos is like another chain that people are always trying to do like interoperability with too, and so yeah, definitely like Cosmos. Cosmos along with Polkadot and Ethereum. Some of the other ones like ADA is cool and stuff, but it's not gonna try to come out in a long time. Yeah, Binance. I don't know if Binance is good or I don't know if they're good or bad, but yeah, they do some things. They be trying to hold people back. They be going down in just the perfect moments when when prices are rising and stuff. They go down at the perfect moment. Yeah, I talked about PRQ. I didn't talk about INJ yet. I'll look at that right now. I talked about PRQ another video too. So I'll look at this one. Injective protocol. 10 million, 100 million supply. Trading volume is actually pretty damn good. It's pretty high. Did it have a pump? Trading volume is, hey, this is a nice chart. Double bottom reversal. Do I got a trading view chart? Give me the trading view chart. Okay. Yeah. And then stopping at resistance. Oh, that was like the bottom. So this thing could actually pump. What is it? Though. Fast, secure, fully decentralized trading. Okay. Injective is a first layer to DEX that unlocks the full potential of decentralized trading. Um, our family, they're working with Binance. Limitless trading. I gotta see how it works because you need liquidity, and I don't want to have to put my assets on somewhere. Like Uniswap just changed the game when it came to like all that. I don't have to sign in, just connect. Uniswap goes down, I use Mooniswap. Injection brings the power back to people by naming truly free. So, I already said that. It's different. Pioneering a new decentralized economy is that we make exchanges centralized public utility. What are you doing? Exchange waitlist. When's the exchange coming? But as far as the chart goes, fundamentals don't always match the chart. The chart might just go with you know, with the hype or whatever. Injective will interlate chain link price feed to settle user created decentralized derivative exchange. Moonbeam, Kava, okay. To expand its decentralized Oracle system. That I like to see. You can't just be all like, oh, I'm Chainlink, blah blah blah. Nah, you need like a couple different oracles. Bridging the gap between CFI and DeFi. All right, so I got some research to do on some of these coins. I'm gonna do this one too. Community coin video should be lit. Injective protocol. Okay, it's like SRM. I like SRM. I don't like the owner. Fools too runs his mouth too much. So maybe the INJ would be better. Oh, and then Unilayer. I'm still waiting for the limit orders on Uniswap. That's going to be, if you can use Uniswap's liquidity and have limit buy or like stop loss orders, limit orders and stuff like that, that should be pretty dope. Tokens 30 cents, $5 right now. We'll see how they're going to use the token too if we get some discounts. They got their NFT marketplace already open. That's dope. Yeah, Unilayer and Injective Protocol is pretty lit. Can you do that on Unitrade? Wasn't there? I think there had. What happened with Unitrade? There's a problem with Unitrade. Don't quote me on that. Let's see. Let's try right here on live. Can we do that on Unitrade? Let's launch the app. Boom. We'll do this and I gotta get out of here. All right. Search for a token. Okay, connect my wallet. Goes by Uniswap or what? Okay, I have an ETH on here. Let's see. Let's go to stake. Stake pairs, liquidity. All right. By limit price. Okay, this is the market price. Let's say I want to do 850 processing fee, ETH to stake. I guess so. I guess it works. Let's see if I want to do 1 ETH. Whoa. 850 now. $45 stake. Oh, okay. So I guess you can. Unitrade. Dope. I'm gonna have to check that out. So Unilayer, you lagging, bro. Unitrade's already got it going. Similar in price too. But yeah, I'm about to get up out of here. Thank y'all for rocking with me today on this live stream. Leave some more comments of any coins that you guys want me to check out. I'm about to be doing a couple community coin videos. I'll be doing a lot more live streams too. Just to say what's up to the community and look at some coins like this, exclusive things that happen or anything like that. All that stuff. So I'm out of here. Till next time. Peace. How do I stop this? Boom.